We're headed out on a recovery. We had a kid text me. Looks like he's got a Jeep that's rolled off the side of the road, about 35 feet down an embankment. We're not really sure what to expect. We got Demery with us. We got Big Dinner. We got Hillbilly in the back. We broke the Jeep. What's new? You shouldn't take stock stuff, you just break it. So
we have to take stock stuff to do recovery, so that way we know what we had to fix.
Exactly. Called my buddy Don up at Steele Towing in Nephi. He's got a track skid steer with a winch on it. So we're gonna meet him down here in Gunnison at the Maverick, and then we're headed to Mayfield, Utah. We're gonna go up and get it out. All right, we met up with Don. We got us some drinks and some candy at Maverick. Now we're just headed to Mayfield. We're gonna park the tow trucks and then go up the canyon. We're gonna leave the truck here, unload the RZR, and then we're gonna gear it all up and head up the canyon from here. We're not gonna try to take the trucks up because we just don't know what to expect. How are you doing, Dinner?
Doing pretty good.
Think we'll be successful?
Oh yeah, we always are.
If we get stranded, I have a way to flip our food if we can find the bunny or something to cook.
We're 0.7 miles away. What's up, Dinner? What's happening?
Yep.
There's a track right there. You hear that?
I'm not doing that.
Dinner, you stay at the top.
Okay.
We don't want to see a dinner roll.
Or a Demery roll.
Yeah, we don't want to see a Demery roll either.
I don't think we know how to recover this Jeep.
Holy cow. Okay, so we found the Jeep.
I hope he's okay.
I think he's okay. He was able to let me know where it's at. Okay, so.
Just thinking if he can get in here.
Yeah, that's what
Up to that tree. Yeah,
How you gonna get back up?
close to that tree there and just flip it.
No, dude, I think just roll it and go straight back up. He could come down here, winch all the way out. Check it out. Nope. This is ice. That's water.
We're on a river.
Yeah, we're going back up that.
Looks like they went for one good
Heck of a
ride.
Well, we'll figure out how to get it back up the road. You can see his light broke there.
Now it looks
I'll
like
bet
he
he.
come around that corner or something and
A little too fast and went sideways.
oh there.
How long's your winch? It's long enough.
Yeah, the pictures we got didn't do this any justice.
Where are my muffins?
Sliding in next week. Don't let me forget. I'm putting my monster in the fridge.
Oh, it's in the fridge. Okay.
Okay.
We'll remember it. We can't forget his monster in the fridge.
I want to hide it. You never know.
Now you gotta remember that it's there.
What if you come over here where it's not so slick right here? Try and break up the ice so he doesn't just slide when we start pulling.
I've got all the stuff in my RZR, so now that you're where you're at, I'll bring it back over.
I think we'll flip it upright first.
Yep. And then you'll reposition, or?
Yeah, I think I'll probably try to reposition clear up in here.
Okay.
We'll just try to bring it right up on the edge here.
Okay. Well, I'll go grab the RZR real quick. Like I've said 1,000 times, if you don't have the right stuff, find a friend that does. We'll be getting a track skid loader in the future.
Hopefully real soon in the future.
Dang it. I always hide in there.
I know, I making sure you didn't run it over. Okay, hold it. Okay, I want you right back there.
You're gonna have the hook right in the middle, probably.
We're gonna reposition and grab it in the middle. I'm gonna go right here.
Yep. A little more.
All right. Good, hold it. All right, it's in park. And in park, it's hooked, we're ready to roll it. It's going. Okay, I'm gonna hook it. I'm gonna come around to the hitch.
Yeah, let's bring it around to there. How solid is it?
Solid enough that I ain't getting on the bottom side. Check out this.
Think we can fix that on the frame rack?
I think I can fix it.
I don't think that thing's fixable.
No. We know a good body shop though, right?
Right?
That's fixable.
How solid is that hitch? Pretty good?
I think this hitch will be fine. We'll pivot it and then I can get the axle. The axle's on, it's got aftermarket trailing arms, so I think it'll be solid.
Before you hook that, I think I want to get right up in here. Probably right here.
We'll rehook it once you get it around. We're gonna have some cleanup to do after.
Good.
Don,
Yep.
you're on a boulder.
Let's maybe double this cable up, bring it back. That way we don't have a breakage issue.
I've got a snatch block with a chain. Want me to snatch block it around?
Yeah, it's not walking. You're okay. That's why we put it in gear. Park.
That was sketchy. Time to do some sketchy stuff. Doo-dah. Hope we get away with it. Should we just go around the axle? We already bent the hitch. Should I go to the hitch again or to the tube?
Oh, is it in those little eyelets of the hitch?
No, I've got it around the entire hitch, but the sides are bending.
Okay, let's hook. Can you get to the rear end?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that. Probably want to throw that garbage in too before we get too far away.
That's what we're gonna do. That's what he suggested. Okay, so we're gonna snatch block this. We're gonna run the cable back up to the skidder, double it up, take a little bit of resistance off this cable. But first, we're gonna clean it all up down here where all the stuff came out. We don't wanna leave this forest dirty. Whatever came out in the wreck will get picked up. Go over top so it don't come off. Make sure that don't unhook. I'm gonna take the cable off. Got it?
Yep.
Pull down and you pull up.
You have a
Chain?
chain? We might be able to reach here.
Go one more. Okay, just get tension and then we'll clean it up.
It's almost straight up and down.
Hit that e-brake. And hit another boulder.
It's on a rock. Will the brake set?
I set it, but it's not working.
But it's not working.
Hillbilly can get in and hold them. He ain't scared. Just kidding.
Can you get it in the four-wheel?
All right, it's in four-wheel drive. We'll see if four-wheel drive will hold it. A lot of nothing.
There goes that rock.
All right, while we're here, we'll get rid of this chain so that when we get up here, we'll have more pull.
Oh,
Is it moving?
no.
Release the brake.
No park brake. Hey, Trevor.
Hey.
It's in park.
There you go, yeah. I want it up as far as you can.
Okay. Keep going.
Okay, are we getting
Hold it, let it off, and let's see what it does. Okay.
gonna stay?
I think so.
We're safe, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
we're good.
I'm just pulling the cable.
Okay, I didn't know what we were doing.
It's in park. You want me to get it out of park?
Okay, we'll check the oil before you crank it.
If that thing starts, I'm buying a Jeep.
Give her a whirl.
No.
You gotta crank it a couple times. It's under full of oil. Okay?
Yeah.
I think that battery pack's dead. I'll go grab the other one.
I thought it was fun. That little winch box is awesome.
Okay? Okay?
No, but you ain't gonna get it.
We're getting further and further. Okay? Okay?
I don't think this sucker's starting. Hillbilly.
Your Billy ain't gonna stop.
He'll be here until we start it.
Okay? 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 Okay?
I think we're ready to go, Hillbilly.
Let's go.
So I'll have to be, just so you know, off in the dirt so that I don't take off on the ice.
Okay.
So you guys are gonna have to hug the very right hand side.
We can't forget my monster that we put in the fridge. We've been waiting for it for hours.
I got the monster.
Thank you. Nice and refreshing. Overall, everything went good.
Buckle up!
Buckle up, the boss is driving. Right, the boss has given up on driving.
Oh, don't say that!
She's opting out of driving. So, this weekend we have learned 2 very valuable lessons. What are we doing?
A snowcat.
A snowcat and a skid steer with a winch box. The boss says we can get him! Yay! Woo! Gotta get the shot. We're gonna get the Jeep loader and then we're gonna put the skid loader and the Razor on Don's truck. Got oil on me.
And transmission fluid and coolant and
Yeah. All right, so that went successful. Like always, we could have done it without Don from Steele Towing out of Nephi. He brought up a track skid loader with the winch box and it saved the day. So as always, thanks for watching.